Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, February 9th, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday. So for this Try It Tuesday, draw or make something creative to say thank you to the doctors and nurses that are working really hard these days. You can share your drawing with a description with your teacher, and we do happen to have a nurse in the building if you need a place to send that card. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have Pop-Tart with cereal bar. Not sure about lunch. Tomorrow for breakfast, we have breakfast sandwich, and not sure about lunch. Today's birthdays, we have Gabriel Spillers. Happy birthday. We have a few reminders for the teachers. Please remember to schedule a time for Ms. Gibbs to come do ACAP online tools training with your students this week. As you learned in the ACAP PD last week, it is very important for the students to be familiar with the testing format. We only have a couple more teachers that have not done their training, so get in touch with me. If students wear non-uniform outerwear into the building, they are required to take it off and place it in backpacks upon entering the classrooms. Students may wear red, black, or navy blue jackets or sweatshirts with no logos except the Kate Shepherd logo. I saw a lot of students in uniform yesterday in the hallways. I saw yesterday morning, I saw Miss Hamlin's class and some more second and third grade classes down there that were, everyone was in compliance with the uniform and they looked fantastic. So, way to go, guys, to be wearing your proper uniform attire. A couple more reminders. Shepherd has no cell phone policy for students. This includes smartwatches. Cell phones are not permitted at school. Today we have the district attorney presentation. This is 3rd through 5th grade teachers. Please refer to the schedule that Ms. Pate has provided you for the presentations today. Students, please make sure that you are listening and paying attention during this presentation. We have invited these special guests into our school for a very important reason. They have some important things they need to talk to you about. Please be respectful during this presentation. Please begin planning for your Dr. Seuss themed March bulletin board. Bulletin board should be updated by Friday, February 26th. A few dates coming up. Today, we have our honors presentation for all of our classrooms and the DA visit. Tomorrow, we have grade level planning during extended PE. No, we don't have grade level planning during extended PE. That has been changed to Candace Tracy, I believe. Sorry about that. February 15th through 17th, we have the Mardi Gras break. February 18th, we have some iReady PE during extended PD during extended PE time. I believe that's going to take place in the Collab Lab. February 24th, we have PST. February 25th, we have Spring Picture Day. And March 15th through April 30th is our ACAP testing window. So it's coming up soon. Shout out, congratulations to Miss Waller, last week's iReady Queen. Way to go, Miss Waller's class. So I'm going to try to highlight these iReady Queens each week and give them the recognition and their class for working so hard. Good job. Our word of the day is angle or angles. Angles is more than one angle. An angle is formed when you have two line segments or rays that share the same endpoints, okay? So we see right angles, we see acute angles, those are the small ones, and we see obtuse angles, those are the big ones. So all different kinds of angles, but when those two rays or line segments come together and share that same point, that is called an angle. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.